Hey guys, welcome back to Sailors Point. In today's video, we are gonna discuss exit exam questions of PhD refresher course. So let's get started. Question number 1. The number of lifebuoy on ship is dependent on option A, what owners provide, option B, minimum of 10, option C, minimum of 15, option D, length of the vessel. So the correct answer is option D, length of the vessel. Next question. EPIRB stands for option A, emergency position indicating radio beacon, option B, emergency position indicating radar beacon, option C, escape position indicating radar beacon, option D, escape position indicating radio beacon. So the correct answer will be emergency position indicating radio beacon, option A. Next question. Which of the following requirements for immersion suit is correct? Option A, donned within 2 minutes. Option B, allow the wearer to jump from 4.5 meters. Option C, allow the wearer to climb a vertical ladder of 5 meters. Option D, all of the above. So the correct answer will be option D, all of the above. How much faster does the human body lose heat in the water? Option A 10, option B 20, option C 26, option D 36. So the correct answer is 26, option C. When person floating in the water in group, they should be in option A help position, option B huddle position, option C yoga position, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is huddle position, option B huddle position. Next question. How should the painter of a life raft which is fitted with hydrostatic release unit be secured to the ship? Option A, secured via weak link to a secured point on the ship. Option B, secured to the part of hydrostatic release that is designed to break free. Option C, it should not be secured anyway. Option D, directly to a secure point on the ship. So the correct answer is option A, secured via weak link to a secured point on the ship. LTA is used as messenger line, option B heaving line, option C mooring line, option D lashing line. So the correct answer is option A, messenger line. Life jacket light shall be capable of providing luminous intensity of for a period of dash. Option A 0.75 candela for 8 hours, option B 0.50 candela for 8 hours, option C 0.75 candela for 6 hours, option D 0.50 candela for 6 hours. So the correct answer is 0.75 candela for 8 hours, option A. Lifeboat must be stored in such a way that they can be launched in dash minutes. Option A 10 minutes, option B 15 minutes, option C 20 minutes, option D 5 minutes. So the correct answer is 10 minutes, option A. A distress signal on deck. Option A pyrotechnics, option B open fire, option C NC flag, option D all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. SART stands for search and rescue radar transponder, option B search and rescue radar transformer, option C search and rescue radar transmission, option D search and rescue radar transmitter. So the correct answer is option A, search and rescue radar transponder. Your vessel has been in collision and you are not sure if your vessel is sinking or not. How will you handle this situation? Option A, make sure that the lifeboat has as much fuel as possible and make your course for nearest land. Option B, wait and see how the situation is developing. Option C, search for missing person, continue to monitor the situation and prepare for event management in case it becomes necessary. Option D, leave the vessel and stay not closer than 5 nautical miles. So the correct answer is option C, search for missing person, continue to monitor the situation and prepare for event management in case it becomes necessary. What is a fire wire? Option A, wire for pulling burning ships off the pier. Option B, wire for handling fire bucket. Option C, wire for pulling fire hoses up to the top bridge. Option D, wire for securing smoke divers. So the correct answer is option A, wire for pulling burning ships off the pier. Quantity of water in lifeboat per person. Option A 3 liter, option B 5 liter, option C 4 liter, option D 2 liter. So the correct answer is option A 3 liters. How many survival craft walkie-talkie required as per SOLAS for a ship of more than 500 GRT? Option A 2, option B 3, option 5, option D 1. So the correct answer is option A 2 walkie-talkie. Quantity of water in life raft per person. Option A 1.5 liter, option B 2 liter, option C 3 liter, option D 2.5 liter. So the correct answer is option A 1.5 liters. What equipment is provided in life raft to help you keep warm in cold weather? Option A, the floor of the raft has a second layer which can be inflated to give additional insulation from the cold. Option B, the floor of the raft has a second layer which can be inflated to help insulation in addition to the TPA. Option C, TPA for each person. Option D, at least 10% or 2 TPA of the total crew. So the correct answer is option B. The floor of the raft has a second layer which can be inflated to help insulation in addition to the TPA. Which of the listed requirements do not correspond to present regulation the life raft shall have? Option A, manually controlled lamp visible of at least 2 miles fitted at the top of the canopy. Option B, all entrances fitted with rigid boarding ramps for boarding the life raft. Option C, floor preventing the ingress of water. Option D, manually controlled lamp fitted inside the life raft. So the correct answer is option B, all entrances fitted with rigid boarding ramps for boarding the life raft. In free fall lifeboat, instead of immersion suit, TPA is provided for all persons. Option A true, option B false. So the correct answer is false. This statement is false. Your vessel have been in collision with another vessel. You are taking in water and you have to prepare for leaving the vessel. How will you act? Option A, just jump overboard and be ready. Option B, collect your own personal belongings. Option C, assist your friend to collect their personal belongings. Option D, send a distress message and collect survival suits or thermal bags. So the correct answer is option D, send a distress message and collect survival suits or thermal bags. Which one of the listed requirements regarding the stowaways of a survival craft correspond to present SOLAS regulation? Each survival craft shall be stored. Option A, wherever a space is available. Option B, in a state of readiness so that 2 crew members can prepare. Option C, on the starboard side of the ship. Option D, in a secure and sheltered position and protected from damage by fire and explosion. So the correct answer is option B, in a state of readiness so that 2 crew members can prepare. Which one of the listed requirements regarding LSA do not correspond to present regulation? Option A, all prescribed life-saving appliances shall be made of non-combustible or fire-retardant material. Option B, all prescribed LSA shall be of highly visible color. Option C, all prescribed LSA shall be fitted with a retro-reflective tape material which will assist in detection. Option D, all prescribed LSA shall be resistant to deterioration where exposed to sunlight. So the correct answer is option A, all prescribed LSA shall be made of non-combustible or fire-retardant material. Which of the listed requirements regarding launching appliances for survival craft and rescue boat do not correspond to present regulations? Option A, parts requiring regular maintenance by ship's crew shall be readily accessible. Option B, the launching mechanism shall be arranged for actuating from a position within the survival craft or rescue boat in addition to a position on the ship's deck. Option C, all launching appliances shall be capable of recovering survival craft and rescue boat with their crew. Option D, launching appliances shall be constructed for minimum amount of routine maintenance. So the correct answer is option C, all launching appliances shall be capable of recovering survival craft and rescue boats with their crew. Maximum carrying capacity of a lifeboat. Option A 100 persons, option B 150 persons, option C 50 persons, option D 25 persons. So the correct answer is option B 150 persons. An immersion suit shall permit the person wearing it. Option A, climb up and down a vertical ladder of at least 5 meters in length. Option B, perform normal duties associated with abandoning ship. Option C, jump from a height of not less than 4.5 meter. Option D, all of the above. So the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Checking and servicing life raft as per PMS is A, once a year. Option B, twice a year. Option C, once in 5 years. Option D, based on condition of life raft. So the correct answer is option A, once a year. Before lifting a lifeboat from water, it should be ensured that option A, bottom plug is secured tight. Option B, false wire are clear and secured tightly. Option C, engine is going astern. Option D, sea anchor is streamed. So the correct answer is option B, false wires are clear and secured tightly. Which one of the routine test and inspection of LSA is not required by the regulation? Option A, lifeboat engines should be run for at least 3 minutes every week. Option B, general emergency alarm to be tested daily. Option C, survival craft and rescue boats with launching appliances shall be visually inspected weekly. Option D, inspection of lifeboat equipment shall be carried out monthly. So the correct answer is general emergency alarm to be tested daily. The function of hydrostatic release unit is option A, substitute for limit switch of gravity David. Option B, to automatically unhook the lashing and release the life raft when the ship sinks. Option C, for releasing life raft in bad weather. Option D, for releasing lifeboat from sinking vessel. So the correct answer is option B, to automatically unhook the lashing and release the life raft when the ship sinks. Lifeboat should have option A, 2 buoyant rescue cords attached to not less than 30 meters buoyant line. Option B, 2 buoyant rescue cords attached to not less than 15 meters buoyant line. Option C, 1 buoyant rescue cords attached to not less than 30 meters buoyant line. Option D, 1 buoyant rescue cords attached to not less than 15 meters buoyant line. So the correct answer is option A, 2 buoyant rescue cords attached to not less than 30 meters buoyant line. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.